everyone, it's Anna. Thanks for joining me today. I am excited to show you the process of creating this coffee table tray. And this particular one I did not care for at all when I was painting it, but by the end of all the tweaks and the finishing touches, I ended up with something that I really loved and the client did as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's jump right in. So here is the finished product. After letting it dry for a couple of weeks, I did add some gold leaf detailing and sealed the whole thing with resin. When I was painting this, I did not like it at all, but after messing with it for a while and then adding the finishing touches, I'm really happy with how it turned out. And I'd love to hear what you think. Scroll down to the comments and leave me a note. If you liked it, a thumbs up is greatly appreciated, and I'd also be so excited to have you as a subscriber. I post new videos each week, some paint demos, tutorials, inspiration, some artist chats. So I think this one turned out really beautifully, and I can't wait to do my next one. Here it is depicted in the client's beautiful home. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. God bless.